Hello and welcome back to a brand new Project 46 video. Today I will show you how to install Bluetooth in your e46 BMW using only basic tools. Before doing this, I would suggest to buy some spare clips as well as a plastic trim removal tool. I'll show you why in a minute. The first step is to remove the interior trim to uncover the hidden screws that hold the radio unit in place. You can see how easily these clips break when they're old. After removing the trim, you will find the two Phillips head screws securing the unit in place. You can now remove these two screws and carefully pull the radio out. When you get the unit out, most of the cables should come off rather easily. The big connector is the hardest one. I can't really show it on camera, but keep in mind that in order to get it off, you will need to pull the latch up all the way to be able to unplug it. The latch may be harsh sometimes, but make sure it goes all the way before pulling on the cable. When the radio is completely removed, you can connect the Bluetooth adapter by plugging it in on both sides. If your car has preparations for a CD player, you will see a white connector on the bottom. If you don't remove this white connector from its housing, you will encounter problems when reinstalling the unit, so you need to make sure that you remove it. Putting everything back in place will be the hardest part. Basically, you'll need to plug all the wires back in while you tuck away the bulky connector in the rear. There should be just enough space in the rear left corner of the radio slot to push the wires in. It will probably take multiple attempts to get it all the way in, but you'll need to be patient. When reinstalling the trim pieces, make sure to replace all the broken clips. The easiest way to get the clips in is to take some needle nose pliers and twist them in just like this. The final step is to test if everything works. Turn the radio on, press the mode button until you see CD1 on the screen. Connect your phone and see if you get sound. As you can see, it works perfectly. I tried it a couple of times and it always connects really quickly, and I can skip songs with the two arrows on the radio without having to touch my phone. I'll link the product in the video description. Until next time, this has been Project 46.